Thank you very much for being here today. This is Tatiana, and I want to share with you about biomagnetism. Maybe you haven't heard about this complementary therapy yet, but I'm really sure that you will be happy to know about it. Biomagnetism or biomagnetic pair therapy, it is a scientifically sound alternative treatment that can help you to restore and maintain physically and mental health and balance everything. This technique could be a complementary alternative to your medical or psychological treatment. The technique of the biomagnetism pair was discovered in 1988 by Dr. Isaac Gois Duran, a medical surgeon. Okay, Dr. Isaac discovered that virus and fungus have a symbiotic relationship with each other, as well as bacteria do with parasites. Dr. Isaac said that bacteria and parasites live and grow in an alkaline environment, while viruses and fungus live and grow in an acidic environment. Bacteria and viruses resonate with each other, causing illness. One of them be a pathogen and the other one is not a pathogen. Okay, this is important because it is the basis of this technique. If you apply biomagnetic field of medium intensity produced by natural magnets of 1,000 to 15,000 power of attraction or Gauss in pairs to specific parts of the body, it will be possible to recover your health. You may be wondering what is important of positive or negative polarities. Well, if we place positive polarity magnets in positive area and negative of negative area, this is going to neutralize the pH of the area by pushing the charges towards each other, thus neutralizing it. Those pathogens either immediately die since they cannot survive in a neutral pH environment, okay? And they return to the normal pH balance. And in that moment, that pathogen could release a toxin that could make you feel a little bit sick, okay? But don't worry that the cells is going to become healthy and the body starts healing itself surprisingly fast. This is the moment where the body balance is restored and health is restored as well. With this therapy, it's possible to treat different diseases caused by infections, contagious. We can treat chronic degenerative problems, metabolic, dysfunctional, autoimmune problems too, and psychological, emotional tumors and intoxication disease. Oh my God, I love this therapy because we can help to reduce the clinical symptoms because we are rehabilitating the different functions in the body and we are going to restoring people's health. We can also provide an adequate metabolic activation and self-repair of tissues, as well as reduce the negative effects of stress and can help you to relieve in health and be again energized. We can also promote a proper immune response of the body, and also we promote the correct functions of the system, organs, and tissues. I mean, it can help with the vascular tonicity, blood flow, and other body fluids. You can know that what is the most incredible thing about this technique for me? Well, that you can avoid the adverse effects of conventional treatments, pharmacological intoxications due to overdose or the common anaphylaxis. You can avoid antimicrobial resistance and reduce the risk of infections. And also, this therapy can help you with hemorrhage or surgical complication, as well reduce the hospitalization, convalescence, and rehabilitation times. This is an integrative technique that does not interferes with other techniques and has no adverse effects, no minimum or maximum doses. As you can see, this technique is amazing. It's like a revolutionary medical discovery. By far, for his effectiveness, and also its cost is very low. This is why many doctors and professionals in other areas use it as a complementary tool. It's so admirable, the simplicity of the system, because allows you can work with powerful, but at the same time with a safe magnets of different forms and intensities, and obtain amazing effects in all the bodies. I love that thing because you can help a lot of people around the world, even your family or yourself. Okay, in this picture, you can see Dr. Isaac Goin Duran doing his practice. He was very successfully because he treated more than 1,000 or more patients with biomagnetism and has trained more than 20,000 medical doctors and other health therapists from many different countries. I said he was a successful and surprising healer because he died last year, but don't feel sad because his knowledge and research is in science is still continuing and are in force. I know that this therapy for many of you will be new, but believe me that you can have wonderful results, and those who practice this technique, who want to help and offer other alternatives to heal the society. It is also easy, inexpensive, and anyone can learn it. No doubt, this is the best option for the development of any therapist or professional in the area of health science. Thank you so much for the attention.